Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to in this class. This is Faiza Sheikh and you are watching the Faiza's learning class about the new topic biology terms and the definition. These are definitions very important for all combined competitive exam, especially for FIA and PST. Now they are coming. So let's start the class and one by one I'm going to discuss now. Anatomy, study of the internal structure of organism. Agrology, soil science, dealing especially with production of crop. Agronomy, science of soil management and production of the crop. Agrostology, study of the grasses. Ethrology, study of the joints. Apiculture, rearing of the honey bee for honey. Anthropology, study of the origin, development and relationship between the culture of past and the present human. Anthology, study of the flowers and the flowering plant. Angiology, study of the blood vascular system including arteries and veins. Andrology, study of the male reproductive organ. Bryology, study of the bryophytes. Biometrics, statistical study of the biological problem. Biomedical engineering, production and designing of the spare part of man for overcoming defects in man, artificial limbs, iron, lungs, plasma. Biotechnology, technology connected with the living being for willful manipulations on the molecule. Bacteriology, study of the bacteria. Cytology, study of the cell. Cryobiology, it is the study of effect of low temperature on organism. Clones are the genetically identical individual in a population. Cardiology, study of the heart. Clones are the genetically identical individual in population. Demography, study of the population. Diffusion, random movement of the molecules. Diffusions, random movement of the molecules. Dermatology, study of the skin. Dendrochronology, continue and analyzing the annual growth. Ecology, study of the interrelationship between living and their environment. Evolution, study of origin of life, variation of the formation of new species. Embryology, it is the study of fertilization and development of zygote. Evolution, study of the origin of life. Eugenics, study of the factor connected with the improvement of the affairs. Euthanics, treatment of defective in heredity. Anthology, study of the science dealing with the different races of human. Anthology, study of the animal of behavior. Etiology, study of the life cycle of the pathogen. This is all about the information about the basic term of the biology. So let's start the next page and discuss another. Entomology, study of the insects. Exobiology, study of the possibility of life in space. Floriculture, cultivation of the plant for their flowers. Food technology, science, processing, preservation. Forensic science, application of science for identification of various facts of the civilian. Fishery, catching, breeding, rearing. Forestry, development and management of forest. Fermentation, process of incomplete oxidations that occur in the microbes and other cells. Genetics, study of the variation and the transmission of the characters from parents to their young ones. Growth, permanent increase in the weight and the volume of size of the organism. Gynecology, study of the female reproductive organ. Gerontology, study of the agents. Gastroenterology, study of the alimentary canal of stomach. Hypertonic, when two solutions having different student concentration. Hypertonic in two isolations which have lower solute. Homothermic, animal who have a constant body temperature are called homothermocoat warm blooded. Histology, study of tissue. Hygiene, science taking care of health. Hydroponics, study of growing plants without soil. Hematology, study of the blood. Hepatology, study of the liver. Lechology, study of the fishes. Limnology, study of the immunity. Calology, study of the human beauty. Metazoans, all multicellular animals are called. Monoecious plant which have both male and the female flower. Morphology, study of the external structure. Microbiology, study of the microorganism. Molecular study, study of the molecules. Medicine, study of the treatment disease by drug. Mammography, branches of the science which deal test of breast cancer. Mycology, study of the fungi, nutrients, chemical substance taking as food which are necessary for various function, growth, health of living. Neurology, study of the nervous system. Neonatology, study of the newborn. And nephrology, study of the kidneys. This is all the basic information about the biological terms and condition. These are very important टर्मोलॉजी मैं वन बाय वन स्टेप बाय स्टेप जो है वो आपको बताती जा रही हूँ. देन जो है वो हम मूव करेंगे अनदर पेज के ऊपर. वहाँ पे जो है कुछ रिमेनिंग जो है साइंस की ब्रांचेस मौजूद हैं वो डिस्कस करते हैं. सो लेट्स मूव. Osmosis, movement of water molecules across semi-permeable membrane from the region higher concentration to the region of the lower communication. Odontology, study of teeth and gum. Osteology, study of bones. Oncology, study of the cancer and tumors. Obstetric science connected with care of the pregnant women's. Ornithology, study of the birds. Ophthalmology, study of the eyes. Orthopedics, diagnosis and repair of the disorder of the locomotory system. Phytoplankton, microbic organism. Parasites, organism which depends on other living for their food and shelter. Pachylothermic, organism which changes their body temperature according to the surrounding. Pigment are substance which absorb light of certain wavelength like chlorophyll formed in the leaves. Paleontology, study of the function of various system of organism. Pathology, study of the disease, effect, causable agent and transmission of the pathogens. Pomology, study of fruit and fruit yielding plants. Psychiatry, treatment of mental disease. Psychology, study of the human mind and behavior. Pisciculture, rearing of fishes. Psychology, study of algae. Pediatrics, branches of medicine, dealings with the children. Parasitology, study of the parasites. Photobiology, effect of the light on various biological processes. Phylogeny, evolutionary history of the organism. Physiotherapy, treatment of body defects through the massage and exercise. Radiology, science dealing with the effects of radiations on living beings. Rhinology, study of nose and olfactory organs. Cyanography, study of the ultrasound imaging. Serology, study of the lizard. Serology, study of the serum. Sphygmology, study of the pulse and arterial pressure. Taxonomy, study of the classification, nomenclature and identification of the organism. Telepathy, communications of the thoughts or ideas from one mind to another without normal senses. In other words, this is the process mental contact. Veterinary science, science of all health care and treatment of the animals. So this is all about the informations. These are basic fundamental terms एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल कंबाइंड कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम. जो लोग मेरे इस चैनल पे न्यू हैं वो मेरा चैनल लाइक कर लें, सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट्स के ज़रिए मुझे ज़रूर बताएं मेरी वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी. देन जो जिनके क्वेश्चंस रिमेनिंग हैं इंशाल्लाह अप टू द टाइम या नेक्स्ट वीक के अंदर उनके क्वेश्चंस की जो है वो वीडियोस बना दी जाएगी अकॉर्डिंग टू. सो जो है चैनल को लाइक करना न भूलिएगा. इजाज़त दीजिए. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.